Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand is understanding what exactly is being passed back from a reactive expression or code block, especially when those code blocks start getting longer. It can be quite a puzzling problem, even after going through a bunch of tutorials. To help clarify things, we ran some basic tests using Reactive console true. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of this problem. Now, focusing on the solution that we've explored, let's look at a specific piece of code. Consider the function f function, ix5. When this function is called with f, it doesn't produce any visible output. However, the function actually returns the value 5. This happens because the statement x5 produces the value 5 invisibly. In R, when something is returned invisibly, it doesn't automatically print to the console. The last executed statement within the function serves as the default return value. Understanding this behavior is crucial in grasping how reactive expressions work. Expanding on our understanding of the solution provided earlier, let's shift our focus to another code snippet. In this case, we have a code block that sets x to 5 within braces. Just like the function we discussed earlier, calling this code block doesn't result in any visible output. However, behind the scenes, the block is returning the value 5. The default return behavior over kicks in here, where the last statement executed becomes the return value. This concept mirrors what we observed in the function scenario and sheds light on how values are passed back from reactive expressions. To wrap things up, we've explored the nuanced behavior of reactive expressions and code blocks in R. Remember, without an explicit return statement, reactive will return the value produced by the last statement within its expression. It's crucial to use explicit return statements when you want more control over what is returned. By understanding these subtleties, you can navigate through longer reactive blocks with confidence. Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding,